Welcome to Society of AI Daily News. Myself, Sashi Kashyap, and I'm going to present some updates and latest news related to AI and technology. AI, artificial intelligence, is going to replace the jobs, and a survey also states that 50% of jobs are being swept by AI, as well as it is also going to create some new jobs which will require new skill sets and right education. So, if you want to build your future in AI, then you can avail the online courses of AI from the different platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX. CBSE is soon going to make an inclusion of International Business Machines AI curriculum over 200 schools in India for classes 11th and 12th. Means that along with our technical subjects and technical fields like science and management, AI is also going to included in their whole syllabus. The fourth pillar of our democracy, that is journalism, is being affected due to AI. And the report also says that the US news people are being led off and swept due to this AI technology. And also, a report from Washington Brookings Institute states that 25% of jobs are at higher risk of disappearing just because of future machine automation. As we all know that Google is going to invest $10 billion in upcoming 5 to 7 years for Digital India, that is digitization of India. On the other hand, our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi had also talked with the CEO of IBM and discussed the great opportunities in India, and the capital is channelized towards the health sector. Mean that if IBM will invest in India, then it is definitely going to invest in the health sector of our country. The different areas like data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning has opened a new gateway in the field of health in this time of pandemic. India and Israel have shaken hand and met to fight against this pandemic, this coronavirus. The meeting soon envisioned with President of AIMS, military scientist, and research and development of Israel. Now, the next update, very interesting. As you all know that some days earlier we celebrated the World Emoji Day on 17th of July 2020. The Bobbles report says that during this pandemic, there was rise of 58% of emoticon usage in the related to health from the online socializing platforms and some dating apps. The robotics and AI will witness the major investment, and the robots will be hired for performing different activities including the cleaning of hospitals and safeguarding the humanity at large. Means that in upcoming future jobs, the people will be replaced by the robots, and robot is going to do the work for us. The as each and everything has their pros and cons, so there is a decline in the investment of EVs, that is electrical vehicle, just because stakeholders are in the state of apprehension because of India and China tiff going on. Now, the last update for today, the academic research area has decided to make some changes in their pattern and confronted a digital deceit, imparting the knowledge for the faculty's member, and also spreading the information to the students so that they should be aware of the fake news and should be very confirmed before writing any information and inclusion of any information in their research. So that was all for today. Stay updated for the news related to AI and technologies on this with us on this platform. Thank you.
For more updates, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram.